Former President Goodluck Jonathan and hundreds of foreign election observers are currently stranded in Guinea-Bissau after the military announced a takeover on Wednesday. Jonathan, who has arrived as the head of West African Elders Forum Observer Mission for November 23rd presidential and parliamentary elections, has been unable to leave as soldiers shut down all land, air and sea borders and suspending the electoral process. A group of military officers calling themselves the High Military Command for the Restoration of Order declared they are taking total control of the country after both major candidates, incumbent President Umaro Sissoco Embaló and Fernando separately claimed victory. The officers also imposed a curfew and reportedly attempted to cut off internet access. President Embaló confirmed via French broadcaster France 24 that he had been deposed and was being held at military headquarters. The opposition leader Domingos Simões Pereira has also been arrested. Daily Trust reports that foreign observers who rushed to the airport are stranded, including Jonathan. His former spokesman, Embaló, confirmed the ex-president is safe but trapped with other observers. Jonathan and other African leaders in the country have jointly condemned the coup, calling it a blatant attempt to disrupt the democratic process. They urged the African Union and ECOWAS to intervene and demanded the immediate release of detained electoral officials. They also appealed for calm, emphasizes the need to protect peace, stability, and the well-being of Guinea-Bissau during this crisis.